Welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury's virtual showroom. My name is Al Lucchino. I want to welcome you into my home virtually, but you're welcome to come down to the dealership at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We're located at 51 Federal Road in Danbury. We've been here 30 years. It's a family-owned business, and we're located on exit 7 off I-84. What I want to discuss, what I'm excited about, what I want to show you is a really great motorcycle that's coming on trade at our dealership. It's a 1999 Harley-Davidson Dyna Low Rider. So Dyna means rubber mounted. So we've got the pulse and feel of a big V twin. This has got a twin cam, V twin, air cooled, rubber mounted. But when you're at an idle, it shakes. When you're going 65, it's smooth. The best of all worlds. It feels and looks like a Harley-Davidson should feel and look. Externally mounted twin shocks, smooth ride, virtually new, relatively fresh 1 or 2 year old tires on this bike, saddlebag supports, Screamin Eagle Mufflers, engine guards, lace wheels, dual discs on the front. This thing stopped traditional, very comfortable buckhorn bars, loaded with goodies like genuine Harley chrome and rubber hand grips and foot pegs. You've got these lever covers, the streamers. You can either leave them or take them off, but this is a fantastic bike, only 14,000 miles on it approximately, and here's the best part. This bike is under $6K, and for approved borrowers, we can get financing on this motorcycle. I don't know what to say other than this is a fantastic find. I'm excited about the bike, and I just said to my team here before I shot this video that I like this bike so much I would be proud to own it myself. It's that nice. So come on down to Harley-Davidson of Danbury, pay us a visit. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., Saturdays 10 to 4. We're closed Sundays and Mondays. Behind me is our Screamin Eagle Performance Center. We've got a Dynojet 250i dynamometer at Harley-Davidson, so we can test, tune, and improve your motorcycle for you. But again, this is the big news. This 99 Low Rider, what an awesome motorcycle for under $6K, and just the condition. Harley doesn't make these styles of bike. It's got the buckhorn bars, the Fat Bob gas tanks. It's got the separate speedo and tack, which a low rider traditionally had. This is the goods. This is the type of bike that made Harley-Davidson great. Come on down to the dealership. If you like this bike, buy it before it's gone. It won't be here long. Thanks for watching.